Look at this Islamic quiz channel. Within few videos they got 1.5 million views on one video and 1.4 million, and like that this is more than 90,000 views, and like that they have engaged views on all the videos. And if you see the earning of this channel is earning more than $200 to $4,000, between that. So it means it is earning more than $2,000. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of videos. If you see, here is the popular video of this channel.
Number 3. The pillars of Islam are also called Arkan al-Islam. Number 4. How many fard rakats do we pray in Salat al-Asr?
So if you click on this quiz channel and if you go here in the shorts data, they also have the shorts. You can see these are the shorts. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the long videos as well as the shorts videos as they have in their channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this is a complete video. It will take about 40 minutes, but you just need to watch this video carefully if you want to start this kind of Islamic quiz channel. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how you can create Islamic quiz videos. So let me get started. First of all, you need to go here in the DeepSeek. In the DeepSeek, you just need to give a prompt. For example, we are going to create an Islamic general knowledge quiz. Okay, so here is, I just say Islamic general knowledge quiz here. I have just entered this, and you just copy the title of the video and paste here. And here I will just provide you the prompt. You need to add this prompt here after adding the title of the video. Now I have given this prompt. You just need to copy this prompt and paste here inside the title of the video. So here you can just need to enter here, and it will give us the data for the quiz video. Okay, for example, I just cut this off, and this kind of similar data we will get. So here you can see these are the options, option A, option B, and then the correct answer is displaying. So like that we are going to add this column inside our quiz. So like that, this is generating data. You just need to go here in the Canva. So in the Canva we just need to create this template that we are going to use to implement the data. So for the bulk create, we just need to create a template. So here you just need to get here in the simply, you just need to select YouTube chapter or YouTube video on from your Canva dashboard, and here I just name here Islamic quiz, and here this is an empty dashboard. So for that we just need to have almost 10 seconds or 9 seconds video. For I just say 10 seconds video. So this is the 10-second timer I have set. So this is a blank template for the 10 seconds. So here if you click on elements, and here in the elements you just need to search for animated background. So here is the animated background. While this generated data, so data is being generated still in the DeepSeek. Okay, so here in the templates you can select many of the templates as the background. So I select this one for example and set as the background. So this template has been set into the background. So if you see here, this is made 10 seconds, so I go back and make it 10 seconds. Okay, now you can see this is a simple background. Now if you want to select here, and here we need a title and a number. So here simply go here in the, and here I search for the circle or rectangular. So if you search for circle, there are many circles, for example this circle, and if you search for circle again, so there are a lot of circles. You can get into the shapes, and we can use any of the circle here. For example, I just select this one as simply we go here, and if you see here it is temple, this is also a simple circle. So here I just copy the color of this circle as well as, so I just copy that and I just make this color as the same color of this color. Okay, so now you can see this is the same color as the destination here. Now we need to have a number here. So here I just want to add a number here. So here I will select the text here. So I will just add a number, for example 100 number here, for example, and put inside this. So this is very too much big. So here I will just change the font family of this. So this is now a bit good. Okay, now if you see here, this is not fitting, so I will make the circle bigger and make it here inside that. Now you can see this is looking good, and here I'll just change the font color. Now this is 100 and this is on the corner, and if you see here, this is also in the corner. Now here is the corner, and here inside that we need a question. So here I just add a question here. So here is the text for the question. So from the generated data, we just copy a sample question here and paste inside that. So you can see this is too big, so we just make it font smaller. So here I have made it smaller like that. We just need to change the font family. For example, I just selected the literal one, for example, and I'll also make this more lower. So here you can see this is in the 2 lines, and I just make it more bigger for the 2 lines, and here I just change the color to white, as well as if you click on effects, I add an effect here, and this effect is visible now. Another thing that we can do is I will let you know later, but now this is looking good. If you go here in the elements, and if you search for the animated background, you can also change the background from your choice. For example, from the images you can select, and in the videos you can also select. For example, this one I just make it background, you can also select one. So here I just change the color to, for example, this one or this one. So now if you see here, this is more visible. Now we need to have 3 options, and I just want to add another image here. So I just want to change the layout because the same layout we can get the copyright. So I will just make it again 10 seconds here. Okay, now if you go back, and now I want to have an image here. So here in the elements, I search for any image. So I just select Islam, for example, and here in the images I will just select this image, for example, this image. Okay, so I will just make this image here, and here in the border corners I will just add some corners, and in the borders I just add the white border here, for example, and I will just make the border more bigger. Now we have this, and here we need 3 options. So for 3 options I will select same titles, and here we need to have 3 options here. So for that I just go back, and here I search for rectangular, and here I will just add 3 options rectangles, for example, for option A, B and C. So here is the option, and here again I will search for the circles. For example, this circle I just use here for the options A, B and C. So I just make the changes for the color, and here I will just make it border areas to the in the corners we can select the corner radius, for example, here. So here we have this, and here we just need to add the text for the option A. So here I'll just add text here. For example, here is the text for the option A. So here I just say option A, and here I'll just again change the font family because this font family is not looking good. So I just add this font family. For example, you can choose your own font families here. So here you just need to make it full, because for that we need to have the full width. I will let you know why I have made this. Okay, so here I just make it more bigger. Okay, now here we need to have options, for example, A, B, C. So here I just duplicate that text here and change the color to this one, or you can also change the color to this one. Any color we can use here, for example, here. So I select A as an option here. Okay, and reduce the size here, and here I will just make it somehow bigger. Okay, now this is looking perfect for the option A. Now you understand the option A is ready. So I will just select that and make this group. Now this is a group, and just now I just duplicate that. This is option B now, and if you click here and duplicate that, this is option C. And now we need to have a timer here, timer bar, that allow you to create the timer information. So here I just simply select these and make it more smaller here, because we need to have a timer here. So here we can have a timer, so I will just make it more smaller here. So here we can make it here, and here inside that we have timer. So now I just again go back, and here I search for rectangular, and you can see this is rectangular. So here I just add a rectangle here and make it bigger like that. Okay, so here in the roundness we can just add the corner rounder. So this is the rounded corners here inside. Now we need to duplicate that. For example, here I just duplicate, and here we just need to zoom in here, and here I'll just change color to the white. So I will let you know why I made this. So here I just go here and go here. So now this template is being ready. So now this template is just a template, there is no animation, nothing else. So we need to add the animations and the timing on this template. So first of all, this 100 should be appear. So now we need to add the animation here. So here in the animations, you can select this is, for example, this is the pop selection. So here I just select the pop animation for this. Now after that, this should be appear. So now I just select the animation here, and here you can see this is these are the animations that you can apply on the text. For example, this one, and this one, and so on. So from that you can select any of these. So I will just make it more faster, and here now this animation is applied for the heading. And if you see the options, option A, B and C, so now we need to have an animation here. So here I just select animate, and I select the animate, and here I select the group. So here you can see this is the animation effect for the options. For example, this one or this one. So I select the animation effect for all, this one and this one. So you can select any of the animation effect for your options. So here I also add the animation here on the image, for example. So I add this animation effect on this image. So now you can see the animations are added. And if you see here, this is the timer. So on the timer I go back, and here I select this wipe and make it speed slower. Now you can see this is slower. Now the animations are added on all the elements. Now we need to set the timing. For example, first the question should be displayed just like that. The questions speak out, and then the options appear. Okay, so just like that I will just set the timing. For example, here I just see here and just drag the question a bit here, because it should appear a bit second later than the number. So here you can see this has been added. So here, for example, after 3 seconds the question has been completed, for example, and I just go here, for example, and here we just need to add the options later. For example, option A and B and C. So here option A appears just like that, option C appears here, and option here the C, option C also appear here. So now if you see here, the timing for this you can see the question appear and then the options appears. Now just like that, we also make the timing for the timer. So here is the timer. So after appearing the options, the timer should start. So here the timing should be started. So I will just drag in here, the timing should be set here, for example, and also for this, because these are the same thing. So here I just make it like that. Now you can see, just go back and see here. Now here the answer should be appear, you can see, and here the timer should stop and answer should be appear. So this is very simple. Here also the three options should be disappear. So here I just select the option A, should be disappear, should be disappear, and should be disappear. So I just drag here. Now after after these, the options are disappearing here. So I just select this option and duplicate this, and here I just dragged here and I make it for the correct answer. So the correct answer should be appear later, you can see here. So I just drag this and make it in the center and make it bigger. So now if you go back and let's see the question, the options, the timer, and the answer. So the answer is appearing. So this is how you can create the template for your videos. So this template we're gonna reuse in all the videos in the next. So let me see how we can manage this. I just renamed these options first of all. Now I have renamed, and here we just need to have some sound effects. And for the sound effects, I will just go here in the elements, and here I will search for multimedia. And in the multimedia you will see many sounds in the audio option. If you click on audio option, there are many multimedia options. For example, I select this one, and if you start here, you can see this effect has been added, you can see. And now the full question will be appear, and then the options will appear. So in the options I select this, for example here, you can see these are the options. So there are many multimedia options that you can use. For example, this one or this one. So here I just cut this off and select other multimedia option from that. For example, this is very high. Now I selected this one, for example here, and here the timer should be started here. Here the timer should start here, for example here. So here I just search here for timer or countdown. So there are many countdown, bomb timer 3 and so on. So here is the bomb timer, kitchen timer, and so on. So I just select the kitchen timer here. Oh, okay, and now and here and here whenever this stops here, so this should be stop the sound. So I will just drag here, and this sound will be stop here. So I will just start from the beginning. And here it should be disappear the sound here. I'll just make more closer here. So here you can see this is option, and here for the option I just go back in the multimedia and select a sound for the multimedia here for the answer. So from the multimedia I just gonna add this sound, for example. So this is very high. I just wanna make it a louder small, and here Okay, so you can change your sounds according to your taste. So this is how you can make the template for the your video, for the long video. Now we're gonna put the data for our questions here, for example. So now another thing that you need to do is, here you just need to click on file and click on download, and here we just need to download this, and I will let you know how, why we are doing that. Now another thing that you need to do is which is transition. So here you just need to click here, add a new page, and here you just need to add a transition effect here. So here you can see this is the button for the transition, and here you can see there are a lot of transitions that you can use for your videos. For example, this one, okay, and this is a very popular transition effect here. So here we have added this transition into the our video. So now we just need to delete this page. Okay, so I have deleted this page, and here you can see this is created. So now what you need to do is you just need to click on file and click on download, and this file will be downloaded into a video file or into a video type. Now this has been downloaded, and you just need to drag and drop and upload this here. So why I'm doing that, I will let you know. If you create the bulk create, this sound will not be repeated on the videos. So that's why I am going to upload it, and I will let you know where to use it. So here I just delete the sound here. By the way, this template is also provided into the description. You can just directly use it without having any copyrights. Okay, here this video, I just click on this video and upload here. You can see this video has been uploaded here. So now what you need to do is you just need to make it smaller. Just stop that, make it smaller, and here in the transparency, make the transparency 0. Why I have do that, because this, as the video will be repeated on all the parts. If you use the sound effects on the bulk, it will not allow you to add the sounds more than 50 sounds in Canva. So this is the policy of the Canva, that you cannot add more than 50 sounds. So this is how you can create the template for the long video that you are going to use into your video. So here, after creating the template, you just need to go back into the DeepSeek where we have created the data. Now you just need to copy the data here. Just copy all the data here. For example, here, so these are the 50 questions and answer we have gotten. So go back into the template. Now we have saved the template, and here you just need to click on file and click on make a copy. I am going to create a make a copy because I don't want to destroy this template. So here we have a copy of the template that we are just designed. So here in the here in the left corner, you'll see a bulk create option here. So you just need to click on bulk create and click on enter data manually, and here you just need to paste the data that we have copied from here, and you can just paste here. You can see we have number, question, option A, option B, option C, and the correct answer. So here you can see there are the correct answer and everything in the table form. So you just need to click on done, and here first of all the number, and I just make it like that. So here I just click on right here, and you can see connect data, and in the connect data we just need to select the number because we just want to repeat the number here, and here just click on connect data, and this is question, and here in the option A connect data, this is option A. Just like that, click here connect data option B, and click here connect data option C, and here if you go above here, and this is the correct answer, you just need to click here connect data and the correct answer. You can see all these fields are connected in our template. You just need to click on continue, and generate 50 designs. Now you will see the magic. All these questions will be added on the slides and all the answers will be generated. So if you click on view in the folder, and we have created the bulk data, and our video with the 50 questions and the answers is ready. If you click here, you can see this is the bulk that we have created for our questions. Now you can see number one, this is the question. For example, here this is the question, and then the answer options, and then you can see there is answer on the end. So here, just like that, other if you start here, now this is how numbers are repeating and the questions are repeating. So now what you need to do is you just need to generate the voices for the questions and answers. First of all, here this is the question. So how you can generate the free voice? You just need to go here in the Google and search for speechma.com. In the speechma you can create unlimited voices for your videos. So here I just copy first question, for example, and paste here. What is the name of the Islamic calendar?
What is the first month of the Islamic calendar?
I just download this and go back into our bulk and drag and drop our audio here. And here in the start we just click on and that, and if you have, you can see this is added here. If you play here,
what is the first month of the Islamic calendar?
this is the answer. So this is the answer A, option A, Muharram. So here I just copy that, and here in the speechma I say Muharram, for example, and here I just click on generate audio and click on download. So this will be downloaded here, and here in when the answer is appearing here, for example, the answer is appearing here. So here we just need to add this audio. So I just upload the answer audio here, and here you can see this audio has been added. Now if you see here, the A is reading here, so I just remove that as well as, and you can see this is already A. If there is written C, you just need to change this to C. Okay, now if you go back and play again,
what is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Muharram.
now just like that, you just need to generate all the questions and the answers and put inside that. And just like that, if you see here, this is the image. So related to Islam, you can change the images every time on the template. For example, if you search here and search for Islam, for example, and there are a lot of images that are related to Islam, so you can just change the images accordingly. This will be attract the user or visitor or your viewer in the video. So just like that, you need to add one by one the answers and the questions, and your video will be ready with the all the questions and the answers, just like that. Now after adding all the audios into your video, you just need to click on file and click on download, and here you just need to make it full HD and click on download. So this will be downloaded into your PC. Now how you can create the shorts, and this is very simple. You just need to go back into your template. If you remember, we have created the template here. So this is our template here, and we just don't want to add the bulk create, for example, here. So here I just want to make the YouTube shorts from this. So we just want to make the 100 shots in just one click. So this is very simple. So here with that, you just need to select this design and click on resize. I just want to make this resize, and click on YouTube Shorts and click on copy and resize. What it will do, it will give us the same design into YouTube Shorts, and we just need to modify the design. Here you just need to click on open in mobile. Now you can see this has been opened into the mobile view. So this is simply, you just need to zoom this, and here after zooming I just drag and drop the number, for example here, and you can also make it into the center. For example, this is, and here is the question, for example, where the question is. So this is the question. You just need to drag and drop here on the top, because we just make it here and here visible. Okay, and here this is the image, so I just make it image here inside that. Okay, and here now the three options. So here is the three options. We just want to make three options more visible. So what we can do, we can just display one option here, one option here, and one option here. So this will be more visible. Okay, so here just like that we can display three options. According to your creativity, you can just display the options. So here you can see this is more looking more beautiful, and if you want to make it center, you can see this is not in the center, so I just make it in the center as so. So here and here, if you see here options, and this is the your correct answer. So here I just make it more bigger. Here allow that, just click here. So this is how you can create the YouTube Shorts as well. So now we need to create the 100 shorts in one click. How you can do that? This is very simple. You just need to click here in the bulk create. In the bulk create, you just need to click on enter data manually, and here you can just copy all the data from that, and here for example here we just need to paste the data and click on done. Now you can see these already, and just click on continue and generate the 50 designs. What it will do, it will generate 50 YouTube Shorts for us. You just need to click on view in folder, and here our YouTube short is also ready, and you just need to click here, and here you can see this is the short view. And if you play this, now this is how. Now simply, as we have created the questions audio from SpeechMa, you just need to generate the audio from the SpeechMa and add inside this. For example, I just add audio here, and here I have already uploaded the audio for the question. For example, here this is the question.
What is the first month of the Islamic calendar?
Here is the Muharram, so I just add the Muharram audio. I have already generated with SpeechMa. So if you go back and generate here,
what is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Muharram.
now just like that, you need to add all the audios for the questions and answers in all the slides. After adding the audios, you just need to click on file, and important thing that you need to remember is you just need to click on download and click here download as separated pages. What it will do, it will give you the all these parts into different parts. It will give you 50 parts of the videos of 10 seconds parts of the video, it will give. So it will be, you if you select this option, it will give you 50 videos. Each video will have 10 seconds. Okay, so you just need to click on download. So it will take a few seconds or few minutes depending upon your server speed, and it will be started download into the zip file. So now your full video for the YouTube is also ready, and as well as your YouTube short is also ready. So this is how you can create the YouTube videos or the Islamic quiz videos for your own channel, and you can start the amazing Islamic channel with this technique. So I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.